Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on iOS 26. To do it, go to the home screen, of course, then press and hold anywhere on the screen. It can be a free space, it can be an app. Just press and hold until the app starts shaking. Now you can see I already have some widgets, so first I'm gonna show you how to resize them, because you can resize them by holding on this corner like that, or even like that if the widget supports it. It all depends on how the widget supports it, honestly. Then to remove a widget, you can click on minus and click on remove. I think you can also click on the widget to customize it sometimes. This is actually a stack of widgets, and I'm gonna show you the stack of widgets as well. But now let's click on edit, add widget, then select a widget you want to add. Here are some suggestions, but also you can just select an app from which a widget you want to add. Like for example the Duolingo or whatever, honestly. And yeah, you can select different sizes, but you can also resize it later, right? And this is how it works. Now I'm gonna show you a stack of widgets, because I think that's a pretty good option to have several widgets in just one place. If you find Smart Stack, then you can see it has like different options. So let's select the first one, then let's move it somewhere. Now once I click on it, you can see I have several widgets, right? I can remove those if I want. If I, for example, don't use the tips, I don't use them at all, then I also don't need the after widget. I'm gonna use the Safari, the photos, the TikTok maybe, and the music also can stay. I listen to a lot of music. You can enable or disable Smart Rotate. It will predict which widget from the widget stack you want to actually use. And you can enable or disable widget suggestions. If that's enabled, then it sometimes will add a widget that you don't have set here. I don't like that option, but feel free to like it if you do. Then also, if you click on plus, you can add another widget to the stack. Like for example, let's say I like the clock to see the seconds actually. So yeah, and you can move it around, of course, move it into a stack, move it out of the stack. It works sort of like a folder. You can also use two fingers to easily slide across the stack while you're holding on a different on a widget that you want to move somewhere in this stack. Then if I click on done, then it's done. Then I click on done again, and now all the changes were applied, and I can easily swipe between widgets within the stack. So I hope that the video is helpful. I did a full guide on everything here basically. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.